Good morning, everyone. If you watched the last video, I pulled the engine out of the Subaru that is behind me. I want to do the wiring harness today, which I'm really dreading because that means I have to rip out the entire dash and then cut a bunch of wires, and it's going to be a long process. It's also something I've never done, so I'm not entirely sure what I need to do. I'm kind of just winging it here. There is someone on YouTube, I will post their link down below. He goes all in depth on what's happening, on how to do this. I mean, his video is 30 minutes long. Luckily though, it is a great video, so it is totally worth that long of a video to watch. You know, like, you don't get bored through it. It's a great video, especially if you're doing this project. So yeah, link will be down below for that. I have to now do it myself, which I'm not excited for. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you guys real quick just what I need to get done so you can see how crazy this process is about to be. Let's get to it. Last time, guys, we pulled this engine, and these are the wiring harness that I need to get out. Inside the car, guys, we have to pull this entire dash, all this stuff, and then behind here there is a buttload of wires. I have to pull the AC or the heater core. We'll get this out of the way. Airbags, the whole steering column will drop. Get rid of all of that stuff. It is going to be a very long process. Man, I'm not excited. I wish I could just, you know, snap my fingers and this be done. Oh, I'm really dreading this. So let's get to it. I'm gonna start grabbing my tools and screaming a little bit. This sucks. That is everything I've taken off so far. Just sitting back here. Just show it to you. So here we're at. So we have the whole dash off, the steering wheel is loose, so the whole steering column, and then with all that undone, the airbag's out. I still have to, you know, remove all the wires from the steering column, but yeah, we're getting there. So I do need to, like, the next step here is we're going to take this whole top part of the dash, we're going to pull it up this way, and then we'll cut off all the wires that are attached to here. And then from there, then we remove the heater core, which is, we've got to remove this bad boy back here, and then same with the fans, all that stuff over there. But we can't do any of that with this here. So we're going to go ahead and we'll remove this, and then I'll take that stuff out. This definitely sucks though. This is taking a very long time and I'm really not getting that far. Maybe I am. I don't know. Yeah. Pay someone to do this if you can. Yeah, so let's keep going here. Yeah, don't really have much else to tell you guys. So, yeah. Alrighty. Well, it is, the dash is out. That sucked, especially getting the dash out. That part wasn't fun. You really have to yank on it a bunch, but there it is. So the dash is finally out now. I get to cut up the rest of the wires, and yeah, I don't know what after that. Hopefully I didn't cut wires I needed, because some of these spots I feel like I do. I'm gonna now pull all the wires off the steering column, I think. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I just have to cut wires now. I don't know, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna watch the video. I'll figure it out. Slowly but surely, guys, I'm getting this. It's actually quite terrifying. I didn't think it was going to be, but if I cut the wrong wire here, then when I go to make the new wiring harness, just gonna make my life that much harder. This is what I'm working with. All of this wire. I mean, this thing goes on for miles. Apparently I don't need 80% of this, but I don't know. I don't know what I need and I don't need. So I'm trying to follow this guy's video, but it's still terrifying. Alright guys, just hit the gym, just got back from the gym. I'm stoked to start working on this again. Not really, because this shit sucks. Back at it guys. This is gonna suck. Forgot how much work we had here. Yeah. I believe what I remember is got the left side all done, and now we're gonna be working on getting the heater core and the AC unit out. Should be almost done with this. So, man, it's such a beautiful day. I'm in a good mood. I worked out, I'm happy. I got my soda. Oh, all right, I'm gonna start working on this, and I'll catch you guys in a little. I slightly fucked up. I was removing the heater core, which was right there. Now it's right there, and I was sitting right there. And see these? These are full of coolant. So when you flip them upside down while they're over your lap, yeah, looks like I fucking wet myself. Well, that's out. So now I just gotta pull the AC unit out, or move it to the side because it's still all connected, like with the inside the engine bay area, and then we'll push the wiring harness through, I believe. Maybe? I don't know. I think we're done after that. So, back to it. This is the wiring harness. It's all loose except for that one piece going up to the transmission. But other than that, I have it all out. So yeah, the video I was watching, guy kept telling me in the video, he was like, oh, you don't need any of these wires, just cut them. And it's terrifying. So I didn't cut a lot of the ones that he told me to cut, just because, I mean, do you see how many wires are right there? That's, you know, 2 inches thick of just wires. If I accidentally cut the wrong thing, it's gonna be a nightmare for me trying to figure out where it was supposed to go. I mean, the whole fuse box even, he told me to cut off. I did, because I didn't want to deal with it. But like, to me, that seems important. All right guys, real quick, I'm gonna just call it a night. I'm super close. I still got those wires, but I don't know what to cut, what not to cut. I'll just do some more research and then, you know, come back tomorrow and we'll finish it up. So I'm gonna head inside and I'll catch you guys in the morning. I just got back from the gym again, and I was about to go work on the Subaru. Checked my email. They have my first part of the conversion kit at the warehouse. So I'm gonna head that way, go pick that up. It's like, I don't know, 45-minute drive or something like that. But I'm gonna go pick that up, come back, and then I'll pull the rest of the wiring. I am back at the house, and we've picked up all the parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and move them in the garage. There's nothing we can do with them right now, but you know, we'll get to that later. Here, let me show you guys real quick what we got. So we got a new exhaust system. This is just the headers. The whole exhaust system is coming though. So right now I do have one more header. I already put it in the garage though. But we got the header, just a clamp to, actually, that's probably not for the exhaust. Maybe it is, I don't know. Some sort of clamp. We got gaskets. These are for the heat shield. The heat shield's in the garage at the moment. Just some, I think these are to hold the exhaust on. I think that's what those bolts are for, or nuts are for. We got new throttle cable. So that's good. And then this is the engine carrier bar. So, and in here, I think that's to, let's move all this stuff. That might be the clutch. Hold on, let me look here. Oh, no, that's the engine adapter kit in here. Okay, yeah, I don't know where the sticker is for that, but this is the engine adapter kit right there. So, yeah, that's all we got so far. More parts are to come. I'm waiting on the them to get some more stuff in stock, because they need, I don't know, they're missing a few small things for the exhaust system and then the cooling system. But the transmission should be done soon. That was just getting a standard rebuild. So yeah, things are looking good. Things are looking real good. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to it and see you guys in a second. Booyah! That is the wiring harness right there, guys. Pretty sure I don't need like 80% of this. I'm gonna set this down. Okay. All right. That's that, guys. The people at Rocky Mountain Westy told me not to cut anything. We'll definitely cut a lot of things. We'll find out once I get the Westy one out, you know, what all either screwed up or what I didn't screw up and what I don't need. So that's that though. That is a crap ton of wires. Definitely not excited to make a wiring harness. But that's that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Next up, I think we're pulling the engine on the Westy. Either that or we're pulling the wiring harness on the Westy. Not sure yet, but stay tuned for that, guys. That's coming next week. So, whew. That sucked. If you guys can pay someone to do this, definitely do that, because that was not fun. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.